Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to restore Binance Web3 Wallet. As you can see, I am on the official app of Binance, and make sure to log in with your account. And once you have logged in with your account, so you will see multiple options like home, market, trade, futures and assets. So just click on this assets option, and once you go to this page assets, you will see the two options like the exchange and wallet. As you can see on the upper side, the exchange and wallet. So wallet is basically Web3 wallet. So just go to this section. And once you're here, you will see like two options, either import wallet or restore wallet. So if you want to restore your wallet, so make sure that your wallet was backed up successfully. As you can see, I have not backed up my Binance wallet, so I will not be able to restore it. So make sure to back it up on your email or select your method. And once you have backed up, so you will choose the option called restore. And once you click on restore wallet, so you will have to choose the email address where you backed up your wallet, and after that they will ask you to enter the passcode of your email or the Binance. So make sure to enter those passwords correctly, and once you have done that, they will restore your account easily. So that is a simple process of how to restore Binance Web3 wallet.